Hi children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today, a small topic. Last year, you have passed a previous class, came to 10th class. It may be your development. That boy may be last year 5 feet. This time he became 5.1. It may be his development. In such a way, it is your development. But in economy, development means growth or progress in their respective field. Suppose your father there. Last year he was using bike. This year he purchased car. Means his development. Suppose your father there. Last year he was settled in a rented house. This year he constructed his own house. It may be his development. And your father there last year his job promotion he got his promotion. It's his development. Like that, here the people also everyone has their own idea of development. So but different persons can have different developmental goals. So what may be the development for one but may not be development for the other. It may even destructive to them. How, sir? See, we will take one example. Recently in Andhra Pradesh, LG Polymers, a company, its development for its MNC, multinational company, means management, but it is not development for that region people. How? See, without taking minimum care, they have established a company due to gas leakage. Many people of that region were died of suffocation. See, after die, how much compensation you give, it will not fulfill. So, companies development is development for the nation, but it is not development for the that region people. So, it may be in the year it is restricted to them. So, here we'll take few people and their developmental goals. Suppose you take laborers. Laborers are desired to get more wages and quality education for their children, and they wanted to get equality in the society, and they want to get better medical conditions, medical facilities at free of cost. Next, a boy from rich urban family desired to go to USA to complete his PG and settle there. I like you, a 10th class student desired to get 10 GPA. A farmer desired to get irrigation facilities and good minimum support price for their crops. See here, we have seen four types of people have their different goals. There are different people. Why these different people have different goals? Because their economical background is different. Their economical background is different and their situation is different, their occupation is different, their family background is different. So as per their situation, the people have different goals. See here, similarly, we have ideas about our country, what country should be like. Yeah, what are the essential things that we require in our country. We can compare our country with other countries, developed countries, our country developing country. So to make our country developed, what essential things that we require? A good communication facilities, transportation facilities, drinking water, like that, good educational facilities. So can life be better for all? Yeah, country everyone expect their life be better than year by year. It should be all, not for few people. Can there be more equality? Yeah, social equality, political equality, gender equality, economical equality. Like that, countries, the people should get equality. How should people live together without differences, without racial discrimination? Recently, you have seen the black people were killed by the white police in America. Are they living together, blacks and whites? No, they have racial differences, color differences. So no one want such a country should be. Yeah, everyone want their country should be like equal, where people treated equal, where people get better life, where people live together, where people enjoy all essential things, where people get free education, where people get free medical facilities, where people get more equality. Such type of country everyone desire. See here, that is called development. So, my dear children, what can we do to achieve these goals? It is complex task to understand it. In future classes, we may discuss very clearly to understand this development, sustainable development, whose development. Development is for few people, may not be development for others. So, in this way, it is just complex task. And next class we'll discuss how can we say a country is developed, what we study, what parameters we measure to developed country to say the country is developed. We will discuss in next class. Thank you. This is the development lesson in CBSE and state. Both can cover. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.